So I'm just heading to the Wolfgang store right now. I need to get Ginger some food. So really quick, I'm just gonna head there. I look like crap right now, so I'm just gonna film and yeah. Pregnant, I haven't even cared. Like, I'm legit in not the right spot right now. I'm gonna plan a smoothie spot. Like, everybody will be okay. Excuse my car. It's filthy right now. Pickup truck, I'm sure, is not in Wolfgang Bakery. See? 2 wrongs. Making a right today. So, here we are. It's always so cute in here. Still looking? Yeah. No problem. Let me know if you need anything. First name? It's probably gonna be under Karen, yeah. Got it. On to the next task of the day. So, I just got some PDQ. Sorry, today's kind of boring, but like, Rupert wants to go to Popeyes.
You gotta get the chicken sandwich.
He wants his chicken sandwich. I went to PDQ, but let's see what is about to go down.
I might get 2 of them.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you should go in the drive-thru.
Waiting to see whether they would correct it on the field after the discussion.
Oh, FAMU.
Yeah,
that's
it
us.
like that he had dropped his flag in
We're all
peculiar
here.
way as a result of that as well, Ian, as I watched it off air. I don't think he wanted to use a challenge on
He's watching football. You know, he really shouldn't be watching TV while driving, but you know.
Could use a challenge.
He is.
Then he
It's not 4 o'clock. Let's see how long it takes him to get his sandwich.
Evidence that it touched his knee.
1 eternity later.
Your number 10. And then also, can I get a spicy chicken sandwich?
Wait, the number 10 is popcorn shrimp.
Yes, I want to get the number 10 and then also get a spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay, so what's your side and drink for the number 10?
I would like to get the mashed potatoes and the red beans and rice.
They only come in one side. So you want to add a red beans and rice?
No, I'll just get the mashed potatoes.
Okay, so what's your drink, please?
Can I get the root beer?
Snappy, ain't he?
And then, does it come with a biscuit?
Yes, it does. I need your drink. What's your drink going to be?
Root beer.
Okay, a root beer. Then you say you want a number 8?
Yes. No, I don't want a number. I just want the number 10, the popcorn shrimp.
Oh, okay. Anything else?
And then just the spicy chicken sandwich.
So and it's a spicy chicken sandwich just by itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
All right. Turn around, please.
It could be a whole gay dude.
Well,
Because with that attitude, that was all gay.
I'll be mad too. If my penis was in the girdle all day.
Stop.
It's so rude.
It was rude. That's why I was like, it gotta be a gay dude.
Can you hurry up and order, please?
What's your drink, please?
What is your side?
Oh, what is your drink?
You can only get one side, so you want an extra side?
It don't come with that.
What is your drink? I thought I said root beer. Well, root beer again.
Just rude.
You know, I'd be upset. They don't have a lot of square feet to work in back there. It's really
Don't make
tight.
excuses for them.
It's cramped back there.
It is cramped, but your attitude don't gotta be cramped too.
I understand. I can sympathize.
I can sympathize. I work in fast food too.
I can sympathize, but that is not my condition right now.
I would hate my life too, but that don't mean that I gotta know you hate your life. You have to give me attitude. See, there's a Popeyes worker right there. Just pop that out of a Benz.
Selling them sandwiches.
Sandwiches on the low.
I might have to go give me an application.
That's what I'm saying.
Benz is up out
They
there,
got
so
they got That Benz gotta be at least a 2010, a 2008. She the manager. She the manager.
She said, that's enough socializing. Get back to these sandwiches.
Whoosh, cracks whip. Let's see.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Safe?
Thank you. I ain't napping.
I heard the guy. He's right there. He's right there. Look.
I don't look at him.
Look. You see him?
Look.
It's the tall one right there. The light skinned one with the... It has been 15 minutes almost, and we haven't even gotten our food. Well, he hasn't gotten his food.
How many lanes to try? That's 12 lanes?
It's 12 lanes.
I don't know.
So this squirrel legit just tried to cross. He crossed by, I think, 4 or 5 lanes just now. But we're wishing for him luck. We're praying for him and all of his future endeavors. Because he's going to need it. Oh, yeah. Golden hour lining. Yes. I got some food on my shirt. I'm not going to lie. We're at the house. Just chilling for a little minute. We're supposed to meet up with his family later. Thanksgiving was on Thursday, so family's in town, and today they're leaving, so I'm gonna say goodbye to them and hopefully get my car seat installed. We'll see. It's getting kind of dark outside. He's so proud. He got this little bottle. We got it from IKEA. It looks so fancy. So he went to go ahead and put all the juice in the refrigerator in there.
Yes, people, you won't just grab my juice. You're going to ask questions first.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not going to just put any juice in the cup. It's not labeled.
Billy. Yeah, go get the trash can out the way. That's what I told you before.
Can you edit my belly out the way too? Can you get my belly out of it?
Doesn't work like that. I'm so sorry. Just suck it in as you walk by. Suck it in. Out. Suck it in. You can suck it in?
Can't suck it in.
We just ate some Popeyes and is laid up on the couch.
Don't put me on here.
Don't put me on here like this. That's the thing. Don't have me watch football and you can't even watch football.
I'm watching it right now.
You're not even interested. It's just background noise. That's the thing. All y'all men just want to leave football on in the back and zone out. And then leave me to watch this. It's just so boring. Junkie car, we have the Nuna Pippa car seat, and yes, you just finished all this. We'll see. Oh, hold your eyes, see.
Go on there. What's in there?
Got the little leg down there.
I'm bleeding up
He's
here.
bleeding. He was so sure that he was doing it right. And I had to
missed
break out the
I
video.
missed like one step.
He had to break out the video.
It's like 2 steps.
So I couldn't record it because I was like, let's just do this right.
Yeah,
And he was like, should I do this? And I was like, I don't know.
At least, Legend, your mom's always gonna make sure.
Yeah.
Your mom is always gonna make sure.
Yep, so trying to install this rinky-dink car seat, have the baby up in the front seat with me. It looks pretty legit, but is this in the right spot?
Babe, it says supposed to be right there.
It looks good.
It says supposed to touch the bubble.
I can't even move it. Damn, Zaddy. Okay, now let's put the car seat. It's on top of the car. I gotta get a bigger car. That's what's happening next here. We need a little SUV. There we go. Oh. Uh-oh, you don't mess with the bottom. We're off. Yay! Yeah, you just gotta move that, pull it out. Yeah.
Push it.
Looks good. Just leave it. Yeah, it should be good. Ta-da! Only one more to go in Daddy's car. Come on out, little ledge.
Really?
Yep.
You had to do that.
Yep. There's nothing wrong with your feet. You have pretty nice feet.
Yeah, if they had lotion on them. Don't get my... Ooh, no. Down for whatever.
He just got done singing me a song about how his girlfriend wants to do a vlog.
She wants to do a vlog. I ain't really feeling it. But if it's cute to her, it's cute to me. So I'm down for whatever. Said I'm down for whatever. Everybody on these Twitter moments of the decade.
Why are we watching football and nobody's watching it?
Yeah.
Huh? And he just called me mean because
Stop telling everybody everything.
I'm telling them everything that happens.
You want to tell them how you got some doo-doo on your finger that one time?
I don't have to on my finger. What are you talking about?
I don't know. I was trying to make up an embarrassing story.
Yeah,
for you to
there's
tell.
no embarrassing stories for me.
I got a few of them for you.
One.
About that one time when you had hemorrhoids and you asked me to push it back in your booty. And I had to get some lube and finger your butthole and push it back up in there.
It has been done. I have nails, as you can see. And Legend,
I kind of enjoyed it.
Legend is pushing on my asshole. So,
Man,
you know.
just let me know anytime you need me to push your hemorrhoids back in, babe. Call me the hemorrhoid man.
The hemorrhoid monster.
Hemorrhoid man.
Yep, life happens, man. It's part of pregnancy. I was so mad. I was like, what is the next step? What are we gonna do? What's gonna happen after this? If I go to the doctor, what do they do? Will they give me surgery? They would have laughed because it was so small. It was so small.
It's also bad for you.
I felt bad for me. I'm the one who has to still deliver this baby. I don't know what I'm in for. Why can't you help? It's not fair. No, why can't you deliver the baby? It's the least you can do.
Where's it gonna come out at?
I don't know, your asshole.
I would not want to hold him after that. He's definitely going to be a little turd. He came out that. I wish I could just carry it for you, and up until then, when it's time to have it, you could just have it.
What? I wish we could share the burden.
Like, I carry his
Like, I pass him off to you.
I carry his upper torso, and then you carry his lower torso, and then, like, we both have it together, and then we, like, glue it together.
Wow.
So I carry it for, like, 3.5 months. You carry your part for, like, 3.5 months.
I wish we could just trade. Like, sometimes I could just pick him up, hand him to you, go out, have a good night, do what I want, drink.
Why you have to say do what you want? You can't do what you want.
Okay, you know what I mean.
That's what I'm saying. You just off into the deep end.
Okay, will not do everything that I want.
You can't just say just have a nice little time.
Have a nice little time.
Normal things like maybe like jump up and down or something like that.
Honey.
Ride a roller coaster, like things you actually can't do, go skating or something, like.
I want to do a lot more than that.
Okay.
Who said you weren't involved? Hmm?
You?
I didn't say that. You guys see what I go through?
Those are your only clothes. Like what the fuck?
So I got him the shirt and I said,
oh my gosh.
You ruined your shirt. And he said, the washing machine ruined the shirt. No, like, he used to care. He used to be like, don't put my Adidas shirts in the dryer. And he would hang them up. And so I said, back when those were your only clothes, he used to care.
I can't believe you right now. Yeah. I have graduated
He's graduated onto some
to college shirts and button-ups and
grown man-ish. It's cool to wear Adidas though, you know, just not every day.
Yeah, I reminisce about it on my off days. Yeah, I wear Adidas on my off days now.
Yep.
Feels good. Reminds me of my non-productive
your old life.
days.
Your old life.
My non-productive days.
Many days before me?
Yeah.
Before you had someone telling you what to do all the time, making you accountable, yelling at you. But somehow, you still love me. Put on Step Brothers, so I'm going to participate and watch that. And yeah, so the lighting is officially terrible.
I can give you some good lighting in this bit. Don't try me like that.
And I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Oh.
Don't try Daddy Hell like that.
Huh. Uh-huh. See what he's gonna do now. Let me get some juice. 9 out of 10. Yep. There he goes. one is like 4th cup of juice. See? He's gonna get diabetes, you guys. I keep trying to tell him. At least I made him switch to 100% juice instead of like lotion spray. So, what can I do? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but my eye is watering. Like, I feel like a hot mess. So, I'll see you tomorrow. New videos up daily. Bye, guys.